Hey there, future real estate moguls. Welcome back to another episode of Real Estate Investing Simplified. I'm your host, the Real Estate Sensei, and today we're diving headfirst into the world of real estate to show you how you can become financially free even if you're starting with little to no experience. But hey, before we get started, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. We're all about simplifying real estate for you. All right, my eager learners. Let's talk about why real estate is your golden ticket to financial freedom. Picture this. You're not just buying properties, you're investing in your future. And guess what? You don't need a suitcase full of cash to get started. Nope, not at all. The key here is leverage. You've got the power to control big assets with a relatively small investment. That's like turning a tiny pebble into a massive snowball of profit. How's that for some magic? Now, I know what you're thinking. But Sensei, I don't know the first thing about real estate. Fear not, my Padawan. The path to financial freedom isn't paved with insider secrets. It's about learning the basics and taking strategic steps. Step 1, education. You've already taken the first step by clicking on this video. Kudos to you. Start with the fundamentals, learn about property types, market trends, and basic calculations. Remember, we all started somewhere. Even the biggest names in real estate had their training wheels on at one point. Step 2, research. Grab that magnifying glass and become a real estate detective. Look for areas with potential growth, neighborhoods on the rise, and properties that can give you the most bang for your buck. Now let's address the elephant in the room, or should I say, the masked ninja. You might be wondering why I'm keeping my true identity under wraps. Well, here's the scoop. In this industry, revealing our true identity could cause quite the stir. Other industry leaders might not be thrilled with us spilling the beans on these simplified strategies. So for now, let's just call it ninja wisdom. Ninja wisdom tip number 1, house hacking. This is your secret weapon to kickstart your real estate journey. House hacking means buying a multi-unit property, living in one unit, and renting out the others. Boom! Your tenants help pay your mortgage while you build equity and learn the ropes. Ninja wisdom tip number 2, the BRRRR strategy. Buy, rehab, rent, refinance, repeat. This strategy lets you recycle your initial investment and build a portfolio at warp speed. It's like building a real estate empire, one brick at a time. And finally, ninja wisdom tip number 3, turnkey properties. If you're looking for a more hands-off approach, turnkey properties are your go-to. These are fully renovated properties, often with tenants already in place. It's like ordering your real estate investments ready-made. So there you have it, future real estate tycoons, a sneak peek into the world of financial freedom through real estate. Remember, you don't need to be a seasoned investor to make your mark. Start small, learn, and let your investments grow over time. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you in the comments. What topics do you want to explore next? Tax strategies, creative financing, or maybe even the art of negotiation? Drop your suggestions below, and let's keep this real estate conversation going. Thanks for tuning in to Real Estate Investing Simplified. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our ninja wisdom. Until next time, this is the Real Estate Sensei signing off. Remember, financial freedom is just a few properties away.